Hi guys, it's Atsanas here from Calibri Trader. The CPI numbers came in and they pushed the price. Earlier I was in a trade on DAX, and you can see here my entry. Today is the 13th of February, a lucky number for me, I would say, and for everyone else who is part of the day trading community. So today I was looking at those zones here on DAX. I've marked them and shared them with the community, and like any other morning, we only trade for about 15 minutes a day, but then these are some of the most lucrative 15 minutes that you can imagine. So this morning I entered in this short trade at precisely at 8 o'clock in the morning session, 8 o'clock UK time. And this was at about how many? 18 points stop loss. And the price actually went straight down before, rebounding for a little bit during the lunchtime. Then the CPI news came out, and currently we're still in this trade. And we are at 1 to 21 risk to reward ratio. You can see the trade was taken here. If I just zoom back to the 1 minute time frame, this is our initial setup, the one that you saw on the Discord's screenshot I've just shared with you. Those are the levels I was looking at, and this particular resistance level, where this is where slightly above that level we've entered in a short trade. And this is our stop loss and our entry for this trade. The price was, as usual, doing pretty much nothing during the lunch break. Then it just accelerated, going lower. So this is one of those times we're catching a double digit trades. This was a 1 to 20, so far 21 risk to reward ratio trade, and we were pretty lucky this month. This is the second or third trade which is giving us so much. So we had already, out of the five students in the training community that joined in this month, we have already four people with a funded account, and this is pretty good news to me. But nothing unusual. We usually have 95% success rate in fitting those and passing those challenges from our students. These are their words, and no wonder. But today I also wanted to mention something else. It's probably worth expanding in a full course or full long video formats. This is the concept of timestamps. So I usually don't really trade much, even though this is a day trading strategy. I only trade at two times during the day, and only for 15-20 minutes each. So this will be the London Open. I only trade for about from 8 to quarter past 8, and then again I only trade in the afternoon session during the New York Open, and this will be NY Open, and my local time, that's it, half past 2 to probably 45 past 2, 50 past 2. So all in all, if I trade both sessions, this is half an hour. But usually if I'm in a trade, like I'm in a trade right now, I would be not, in most cases, trading the afternoon session, and so I would just concentrate on this trade. So I'm not particularly opening and closing trades within the same trading session every time. If a trade is exhibiting specific criteria, like in our case, we have a trade which is higher than 1 to 20 risk to rewards, then I would probably carry these trades overnight. Carry overnight. And in the day trading program, I'm teaching a concept which is the 2 day rule, in which under specific circumstances, if you carry a trade overnight, then you have a higher chance of, again, if those circumstances are met, you have a higher chance of scoring a much bigger return than if you just open and close the trades throughout the same session. So this is a concept which, as the day trading program students know, I've come up with the name. It's called time concepts. Sorry, timestamps. And this is something that I would really like to create a mini course that I would share for free with everyone that is following me. So just give me the thumbs up, share some comments if this is something you're keen on exploring. Since this is, excuse me, one out of the three major elements of the day trading strategy. So this is, I would say, the only element that helps me to take some of the trades from single digits to double digits, and this is something that's literally no one else talks about. So I'm, again, I have nothing to lose. I'll be happy to share it with the community, and this is something I can further elaborate on in another future course or a free video. Doesn't really matter. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And then again, if you trade those, for 15 minutes here, then another 15 minutes here, I wouldn't be particularly looking at the price in between those two sessions. This could be a big distractor. So for instance, in a lot of cases, traders might have been distracted and taken profits at any time, before we're hitting such a high number. So for instance, some traders might have panicked, taken profits on the first swing high, on the second swing high, the third swing high. There's so many places. So if you follow the price, if you follow indicators, even if you follow some smart money concepts, or anything else that the retail traders are following out there, there is a very high chance that you might be tempted to take profits, and this would actually limit your returns. There is no way, if you're looking with the same pair of eyes, like any other retail trader, that you will be able to carry a trade and hold a trade that gives you multiple digits in terms of return. So I'm not saying this to show off. People that know me, they know that I'm completely the opposite of showing off. What I'm trying to say here is that in order to be able to sustain very high profits, you need to do something that is different from what the majority of the traders out there is doing. I hope that helps. I hope my videos are educational, guys. And if you have some questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.